Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. As we drive through Pelican Crossing near Gonzales, Louisiana, we're looking at a modern residential neighborhood set within one of the fastest growing areas of Ascension Parish. This community reflects a broader shift in the region from rural farmland and small settlements to suburban neighborhoods shaped by growth from nearby Baton Rouge. Pelican Crossing sits just outside the city of Gonzales, often called the jambalaya capital of the world. Gonzales began as a small trading and farming community in the 19th century, benefiting from its location between the Mississippi River and major transportation routes. Over time, improved highways and access to industrial jobs helped the area grow beyond its agricultural roots. Neighborhoods like Pelican Crossing represent a more recent chapter in that story. Most developments in this area were built in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, designed for families commuting to Baton Rouge, Gonzales, or nearby industrial plants. The layout, curving streets, sidewalks, and closely spaced homes is typical of suburban growth across southern Louisiana. One event that shaped modern development here was the historic flooding of 2016. Ascension Parish was among the hardest hit areas in the state. The flooding led to changes in building practices, drainage planning, and flood awareness throughout the region. Many newer neighborhoods were built or improved with those lessons in mind. The name Pelican Crossing reflects a strong Louisiana identity. The brown pelican has been the state bird since the 19th century and symbolizes resilience, especially after conservation efforts brought the species back from near disappearance in the mid-20th century. As we drive through Pelican Crossing today, you'll notice a quiet, residential atmosphere. This is a place defined less by landmarks and more by everyday life, families, schools, nearby parks, and local businesses just minutes away. While it doesn't carry the visible history of older river communities, it represents how Ascension Parish continues to evolve. This drive offers a snapshot of contemporary Louisiana living, where historical farmland has given way to neighborhoods like this one, shaped by growth, recovery, and a steady connection to the surrounding region. Thanks for watching!